I be trying to have a chill morning sometimes, but after my moment of peace, it's like, I don't know. Oh. Oh my goodness, yesterday's laundry experience was so fascinating because I need to write about it. I don't know. But it just felt very like, you know when you pull up somewhere and it's just, we'll talk about it when I'm ready, not while I'm getting ready. This is the part where, hello, good morning, good AM. So I think I'm gonna wear this. It's a long skirt to cover my legs because my body is getting swole from these mosquitoes, and this is the part of living in the jungle that I'm not happy about. Because I've been wanting to be cute all year round. So we gotta switch the vibe up. Now, I don't have any other shoes than these, which people love, I love. They're so comfy. They're so comfy. He gets it because his clothes are very comfortable. So far, this is it. It stops right here. Okay, hold on. Okay. Not too much. I'm gonna have to cut this. It's gonna be like if it starts scratching me. Oof. I did buy a lint roller. Thankfully. Okay, outfit of the day. Now, hair is a conversation that it's not even out. What are we? Let's do with that. Okay, outfit of the day. I was thinking about wearing this, but the sun is playing games still, so it's like it's out, but it's not. It's just before its time. So we're gonna wait. And plus this needs to be, or could be sewed together. All right, enjoy the morning as I clean. A mini clean, nothing too crazy. So this is something I've been doing for a while now, where some weeks, not many, but some weeks I do get off track with it. But because I live in a hut, if it rains, if it child blows too hard, okay, if there's dust on the ground, things are always moving, blah, blah, blah. So I've gotten in the habit of just doing the sweep in my other place. Now, you join me in my other place, okay? So I got in the habit there and like just kind of cleaning it every day. So here, it's like I can kind of go one day without doing it, and it's pretty cool. So what you're gonna see me sweep today is yesterday's mess. Not much today because it's early in the AM, but this is yesterday, so didn't mind it. I still was able to walk barefoot and it not be too like dusty. Dusty or so the place is bigger, it's nice, I love it. Art by mine, truly, not yours. An artist he is. I was talking to my mom yesterday. I was like, how does it feel with no kids in the home? How does that time feel now? I'm not mopping. That's a weekly thing, unless I need to. But this is a daily thing, and it's so therapeutic because I get to reflect in my day, what I'm still doing, and I typically wouldn't like to do this before I change my clothes. But I want to tell you a secret. As I bring you closer. Outside, listen, hold on. Where was the camera? Oh, let me put you guys this way. Let me see what this looks like. Okay, you can't see anything from there. But I should have cleaned before I changed, because I get all, you know, you get sweaty and blah, blah, blah. However, I will say, if that's what's holding you back, then just change. Because what the part of healing that's not spoken about is the practice. You have to practice until perfect, right? But if you don't know what the thing is and you're just learning it, how can you practice something you don't know? Do you understand what I'm saying? So I can say, oh yeah, just, practice until it's perfect. But you're like, well, practice what? I don't even know what you're talking about. And then, it's not easy to add something to your routine. I'm like, oh yeah, I sleep every day, sometimes twice a day, da da da. People are like, what? I do that weekly. I know. That's kind of the difference. That's kind of the point. But what I was saying was, before I do this, I should have cleaned before and then showered and da da da. But today is very airy outside. It's very wet still. So when I went out yesterday, I wore more athleisure wear. Outside was just kind of mucky. It was dirty. I'm like, girl, even if you go outside clean or dirty, you're gonna have that energy, right? So today, I'm curious to see what this feels like. Okay, sure. Who am I trying to perfect? What am I trying to perfect? And who? I don't even know at this point. Do we know anything? Okay, my loves, I'm going to see you all later. Join me on my YouTube channel live stream, the private part, if you're just now joining. Hi.